Hello everyone, I'm here with Meyer Motors, here to show you our 2016 Chevy Silverado 1500 LT. This vehicle does have the 5.3 liter V8. It also does have XM radio, and then if we go back over here, it has the XM radio, AM. You do have a CD player right down here, you have Pandora, and then if we go into settings, you also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, heat and AC controls right down here, heated front seats, power adjustable pedals, traction control, cargo light, park assist, and then the hill. Then you have the liners for your floor mats, and then cruise controls, voice command, phone calls, and then this just controls what you want on the screen up there. Over here you have your trailer brake controller, four-wheel drive and two-wheel drive controls, and then your light controls. If we take a look on the outside, this vehicle is red. This is what the back seat looks like. It is cloth seats, and then they do fold up also. This vehicle is 6 passengers, so this middle console right here will flip up, and then that will be your 6 passenger seating. That is all I have on this Silverado. If you have any other questions, please just give us a call or visit our website at gomeyermotors.com. Thanks for watching.